Good morning. This is a rainy morning. It's pretty cold. It felt almost like the rain was snow, or like it was on the way to becoming snow. But it's still a feeling of that it's soon gonna become spring. You know, here in Sweden, when spring comes, people will be there will be an immediate shift. People will just sit with their faces aimed at the sun and just be all about soaking up the sun, because they will be so starved for the sunlight, you know, because it's been the darker season is long here. So now I'm heading up to the park